In a world where sustainability and responsible business practices are paramount, UNGC-NI, UN Global Compact Network India, emerges as a beacon of positive change. As the Indian arm of the UNGC, UNGC-NI plays a pivotal role in facilitating partnerships between Indian businesses and non-business entities to advance responsible business practices across the nation. Our initiatives foster a culture of innovation, empowering enterprises to thrive in an ever-evolving landscape. Through our inclusive platform, businesses unite to address shared challenges, leverage opportunities, and drive collective action towards a sustainable future. Our world operates in a relentless cycle. Extract, produce, discard, repeat. Everything interconnected, everyone intertwined. Urgent action is imperative to address this cycle and accelerate towards carbon neutrality. Do you know 20% of workers are working poor worldwide? Over 160 million children are trapped in child labor. Corruption costs $3.6 trillion annually, that is 5% of global GDP, and global heating is on a track to reach 2.8 degrees by century end. In this pivotal moment, where our world faces numerous challenges, global solidarity is paramount. In September 2015, our world leaders came together and made a promise for peace, prosperity, and sustainability for all, now and for generations to come. 193 member nations had set forth 17 Sustainable Development Goals and 169 targets to achieve by 2030, known as Agenda 2030. Implementing the SDGs requires significant investment, $5 trillion annually. Yet, this investment offers a remarkable opportunity. Business leaders and entrepreneurs can unlock markets worth $5 trillion and generate 230 million jobs in Asia alone through sustainable business models.
भारत आज इंटीग्रेटेड, इक्विटेबल डेवलपमेंट की राह पर आगे बढ़ रहा है। विकास सर्वसमावेशी हो, सर्वस्पर्शी हो, सर्वव्यापी हो, सर्वपोषक हो, यही हमारी प्राथमिकता है।
To realize these ambitions in India, the UN Global Compact Network India, UNGC-NI, was established in 2000. With over 500 participants, the UNGC-NI acts as a pivotal point where businesses, civil society organizations, and both public and private sectors intersect, fostering collaboration and synergy, harmonizing practices with the 10 universally accepted principles of UNGC, championing human rights, labor rights, environmental stewardship, anti-corruption, and labor. UNGC-NI is tirelessly striving towards realizing the vision of a truly developed India. Through pragmatic interventions, research, training sessions, advocacy, and promotion of governance, UNGC-NI provides invaluable opportunities for knowledge sharing, capacity building, and networking. With a focus on gender empowerment, skill development, water and wash, sustainable agriculture and agribusiness, and more, GSNI is paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future. UNGC-NI spearheads the charge towards a sustainable India. Through our flagship initiative, Forward Faster 2030, we guide companies on pinpointing where their actions can yield the most significant and swiftest impact before the dawn of the new decade.
Forward Faster is a great initiative to help companies focus on the areas where business can indeed have an outsized impact on the Sustainable Development Goals. The Forward Faster initiative is really designed to help companies work in areas around SDG acceleration that make sense for business, they make sense for people, they make sense for planet. There's actually 5 areas: climate action, gender equality, living wage, SDG finance and investment, and water resilience. All of these are really important towards progressing company action and delivering on the Sustainable Development Goals. So I think the call to action for businesses here is that you have to be able to balance your short-term needs and the long-term needs for planet and people. There should never be a trade-off between short-term goals and long-term sustainability. Business has to be for the long term. It's time to move forward faster.
We invite businesses and non-businesses of all sizes to connect, learn and take meaningful action towards the Sustainable Development Goals through our inclusive platform, where you can join the group of India's most prestigious companies who are ready to meet the requirements of future success. We'll help you commit to, assess, define, implement, measure and communicate your sustainability strategies. Join us and become an active participant as we unite ambition with action, paving the way for a more sustainable and prosperous tomorrow.
Please come and join us in large numbers so that we are able to unpack and give the message that India is ready, India is surging ahead. Thank you.